Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation JFD has threatened to launch intensified forms of agitation if the state government fails to publicly declare that the Manipur NRC will be updated prior to census operations by August 6. The decision was announced to reporters by JFD convener Jitendra Ningomba following a joint meeting of various CSO representatives at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. He stated that the government's plan to begin census-related work in the state on August 17 has heightened public tension and left citizens in an anxious state. Announcing that the meeting finalized JFD's future course of action, Jitendra stated that the committee will launch aggressive agitations from August 7 onwards if the state government fails to announce a concrete decision to update the Manipur NRC before the census operations by August 6. The JFD convener further highlighted that residents across various assembly constituencies will submit memorandums to their respective MLAs, urging them to declare the government's clear stance by August 6. He added that mass sit-ins, street corner meetings and poster campaigns will also be held simultaneously with the memorandum submission until August 6.
NRC से तो कभी आते हैं क्योंकि अगर प्रेशर पी ने नमक दम ता मेमोरेंडम पी के रा और अल्टीमेटम पी के रा है वो तो भी मैं तो व्यू तो वो लाइव बात तंग तरुक से सीफाव के मनों दा अमुक कुछ अनाजे के लेगा ना मसी NRC की मतंग के फिर बमा सबसा फिर बम मैं तो लापो कदम नहीं है बको ना समझरी अजू लोने ना मैं तो लोग को लीडर मैं आपसे लोग को बड़े मतुंग ना तंग तरुक की मतुंग दा Tang tadi pau bagi menung dah, miam dah pami ba NRC saya update top tu bani high bi posi, kalau kamu taruh tu betar lagi, batang laiba, numite bi dia koi akan berfungsi maya